33 years old, male pattern hair loss level 2. 1,500 graft was put in the design area to tackle his hair loss issue. Indication is to increase the comfort level and he wants to be more presentable. Today is day 7 after the smart FUE technique. Day 7, donor area healed very well and it looks homogeneous. Left frontal temporal angle, this is the forelock, this is the left temporal angle, this is the hairline design. Microscap already out, all the planted graft is in the right angle, right density and right direction. This is the forelock area.
Thank you, Professor Dr. Jas.